Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I believe everybody is fine by his grace and mercy. So today's recipe is going to be oven baked chicken lemon barbecue. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So here are my ingredients. I have my chicken legs. I've already washed it, cleaned it, and I pat dry it with kitchen paper. So here I have the spices I will be using. I have chicken spice, I have mixed herbs, I have salt, black pepper, and I also have chicken seasoning. So these are the ingredients I will be needing for this part. So here I have my chicken. I'm just going to be seasoning it with salt, just a little bit of salt, because the other ingredients also have salt. So I'll just use my hand to rub the salt to make sure all the chicken is well seasoned. And I'll just flip it over and I'll do same on the other side. So for this recipe, you can use any spice of your choice. It doesn't have to be the same ingredient I use. Any ingredient you love to use, you can use it. So here I just add about a teaspoon of the chicken seasoning, and then I have here also chicken spice. So I'll just be adding everything about a teaspoon each. And then here is the mixed herbs. And then I have black pepper. You can use as much as you want. You can use to your taste. And then I'm just going to rub oil on the meat very well to make sure that the meat is well seasoned. So after that, I'll just flip it over and I'll do same on the other side. So if today is your first time of clicking to this channel, my name is Pat. You are highly welcome to join the family. Thank you for clicking, and please do not forget to subscribe, share, comment, hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And to all my old subscribers and to all my friends who have been supporting me, I want to say a very big thank you to you. I really appreciate all of you. May the Almighty God continue to bless you all. So all is well seasoning, and at this point I'm just going to transfer it into the baking pan, to the baking grill, anyhow you call it. So you arrange the chicken for all to get enough space so that it can all bake very well. So at this point I've already put on my oven. I'm just going to be baking this chicken for 45 minutes on each side on a medium heat, because you don't want to get a burnt chicken. The outside will burn and the inside will not be done. So at this point I'm just going to flip it over because this side is well baked. So I'll just flip it over and allow the other side also to bake for another 40 to 45 minutes. So that's it. I'm going to put it back into the oven. So my chicken is almost ready, and now I'm going to start preparing the sauce. So for the sauce, I have half a lemon. I'll be using half a lemon juice, and then I have this meat marinade, and then barbecue marinade. I have olive oil. So I'm just going to squeeze in a half of a lemon juice. And then I'll be adding about a tablespoon of the marinade. And this one is barbecue marinade. And then I'll be adding a tablespoon of olive oil. And I will just mix all together until it is well combined. So you can make do with any type of marinade that you have, or any barbecue sauce or spice that you have. So this is what I am looking for. So at this point, I'm going to bring out the chicken once again, and I'm just going to marinate, pass the sauce on top of it. This chicken lemon barbecue is always amazing. It's always delicious. If you have a grill, you can do it on the charcoal. But if you don't, you can also do it in the oven, and it will be perfect. So at this point, I'm not going to flip it over because I don't want to waste the juice or the sauce. I'm going to be baking it for 5 minutes. And then this is the time I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to marinate the other side also. Because I don't want, or you don't want to waste any of those super delicious barbecue sauce. So at this point, I'm just going to rub it on this side also, and I'm going to be baking it for 5 minutes. So here we are, all is well done. You can see our meat is ready to be served. So perfect, so easy to make, and very juicy and very delicious. So you can serve this with anything of your choice. You can get your French fries, your baked potatoes, your white rice, your coconut rice, or get some salad, and you are good to go. So I hope you guys love this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, give it a try, and tell me in the comments below how it tastes like. So as you can see, all is well done. Oh my goodness, this was so delicious. Anytime I make this chicken, everybody enjoyed it. So I hope you give it a try, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.